Hey gang, Matt the Helpful Home Inspector. We're over at a place over here in Cedarburg. It's kind of a mixed-use property, kind of commercial, residential type stuff. And one of the things we talk about a lot on site at homes is the main enemies of a home. And number one is water. So the number one enemy of a home is water, just because water can cause a lot of damage, especially when we're talking about wood and water in relation to each other. In this case, we're on the outside of the property here. This is an older place, probably early 1900s, but you can see we have a downspout here. This downspout, you can see there, has come disconnected. And that water travels down, guess where it goes? Yeah, all this old, expensive woodwork, deteriorated, rotted. We got rotted structure on the inside there. All kinds of bad stuff going on here. And it all stems from that guy. So as that water runs down, it's been coming down here for a long, long time, causing all kinds of damage. Now this is gonna be an expensive repair when we look at replacing this really old, intricate woodwork and stuff like that. And then inside of here, there's a whole bunch of rot and stuff. So you can kind of see what that stuff all looks like. But yeah, it's really sad to see, you know, but it sounds like somebody's buying this property that really wants to fix it up or whatever, make it a gem. It's in the downtown portion of Cedarburg here, so kind of on the main strip here. And you know, it's an awesome historic area, and we want to make sure that these kinds of historic homes are preserved and stuff, but at the same time, we want to update them so that this kind of stuff doesn't happen on the regular. So managing water around your home is very, very important. Even if this downspout and gutter system was disconnected for as little as 6 months, it could cause a lot of damage. Now, this has probably been disconnected for much, much more than that, but we're still talking about a lot of damage. So definitely something to look at getting corrected. You guys, thanks again for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. If you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button down below so you know when we come out with new stuff. The bell notifications can actually make a little ding on your phone or computer, tablet when we drop new videos. But also, if you like this stuff, give me a thumbs up. I'd love to have you as a part of our subscribership. Really appreciate you guys watching the videos. Remember, you guys, the better you take care of your house, the better it's going to take care of you, and that's no joke. Have a great one. We'll talk to you later. We have a disconnected gutter and downspout system here. This is all pitched in properly here, so you can kind of see how that's flowing down there. And that water is coming down here. We got a vulnerable area up there too. You can see a lot of snow and ice and stuff probably gathers up. But as we come down here, you can see all kinds of water damage happening.